Hurricane Helene is passing by us, and you can see the gusty winds out there, and it's raining. So you always want to make something. So first thing you think about pakora or bhajiya. So I have Malabar spinach, which is underveli. I decide to take it off from my plant and make pakora. Wash them thoroughly and then cut. Cut one small onion. Add 1 teaspoon green masala, half teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon red chili powder, half teaspoon whole dhania, a half teaspoon dhania jeera powder, salt per your taste, 2 tablespoon rice flour, half cup besan. You can add a little bit if you need. 1 teaspoon oil, also kasuri methi, 1 tablespoon, and you can add a little bit water. Once your oil is heat up, you can start putting one by one and let it cook on both sides on medium flame until it's golden brown, and then you can flip each side. Once it's ready, you can remove from oil. You can see how crunchy came out. Enjoy with your favorite chutney or ketchup. It tastes amazing when it's raining outside and windy. You love the bhajiya or pakora. It's so satisfying, crunchiness, yummy, and delicious. Amazing. Must try. Thank you for watching.